Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Delta Executor on iOS. First thing you need to do is to open Safari on your iOS device. Go to allexecutor.com. Tap the menu, then select Delta Executor iOS, then scroll down and tap Install Delta Executor iOS. A new tab opens, tap Direct Install. Complete the simple unlock tasks as prompt like click the restart button or closing any new tabs. When the pop-up appears, deliatosexecutor.com would like to install Delta, just tap install and wait for the app to install. Now, attempt to open Delta, you'll likely see Untrusted Enterprise Developer, just tap cancel. Now go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, Enterprise App, then tap Trust beside Delta. Confirm and optionally restart your device and you can now open and use Delta Executor on your iOS device. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.